back to another video. In today's video, as you can tell from the title, we're gonna be doing you have to eat whatever color you have for 24 hours. So you can only eat that color. So if I get red, then I can only eat red food for 24 hours.
How about spicy hot Cheetos?
Yeah.
If it's red, then you can eat it.
Hot Cheetos, red apple.
Peppers.
Something like that. Whichever it is. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be drawing a color from a hat, and that's the color you're gonna have.
No, I don't want red.
Why are you so excited? What?
He wants to be in the video.
Here, you hold it.
So we're gonna be writing the colors in a piece of paper, and each of us is gonna draw one out.
What color you want?
I want yellow. I want pink.
I want brown.
Alright, well let's get to it. Y'all ready?
Let's get it.
Look who's standing up.
The first one.
He's almost ready to walk.
Yeah. Okay, ready, puppy?
You go first. Good one, Marky. Good one. You got one? What do you got?
Oh, you got one. Let's see.
What you got?
Let's see what you got.
He got white.
Okay, so Marcus gets white. Go ahead, Maya.
My cap.
No cheating.
You picked that one?
Alright, what color did you get, Maya?
Purple.
The one you wanted. Alright, Aaliyah. Go ahead, girl.
Yellow.
Yellow, hey, that's a good one. You're gonna be eating a lot of bananas. You don't like that one, Marky? He's not happy. He wanted yellow. Give him yellow, he said. Since mommy is older than daddy, daddy's turn.
You're
Yo, hold my shirt, bro. What you trying to punk me?
I wish he gets pink.
Wait.
I want. Wait, red.
My turn. Let's see what I'm gonna get. You tell me what I got.
Pink!
Oh my gosh, no!
That's what you get. Alright, is everybody ready for the first meal of the day?
Breakfast.
Breakfast, hey! Purple, yellow, pink,
What are you really gonna?
red.
What are you really gonna find that is pink to eat for breakfast?
Look
Throughout
at.
the videos.
What is that? That's a turtle?
My
That look like
Babe.
Maya, what are those? Why are you wearing church shoes, girl? It's early in the morning. What's wrong with you? And for you, why you wearing my slides? This woman always wear my slides. Yo, I done bought her a ton of slides, and she always be wearing mine.
These are mine.
What's the point of buying you slides if you gonna wear my slides?
Because yours are comfortable, like yours are cushiony. Mine are flat.
So what are you gonna eat for breakfast? Since you got pink.
Bubble gum.
Bubble gum? She gonna eat bubble gum for breakfast?
No, let me look here.
No.
Maya, what are you doing? You're taking out all the purple ones? That's gonna take forever, Maya. You trying to eat some breakfast? You gonna be here for another 3 hours. Look how many you got. You been sitting here 10 minutes. Hey, but make sure you go ahead and give me out these red ones, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, all them red ones. I'll get you a bowl.
Something
What?
pink that I really don't.
Oh my God. You don't even like strawberry
I
banana.
don't. Strawberry banana is girl's butt.
And apple.
This is legit the only pink thing that there is in the fridge or here. So, guess I'm gonna have to drink this.
Well, enjoy your breakfast.
Pour it up.
What am I gonna eat?
My breakfast.
What do you got?
So I got cereal and I'm gonna put this up.
Cornflakes
put
and
it
bananas?
in here.
Hey, that's a good little healthy breakfast right there.
Yeah,
I like
that
that. What am I supposed to eat? I don't know. Hold it.
That's brown. It's coffee.
Marky, what you got over there, boy? You got a little white cracker? You got a little white cracker this morning?
Marky is eating some of these teethers.
Some banana teethers.
Some banana and sweet potato teethers.
Banana, sweet potato, but somehow they're white. Don't worry, Marky, I got you, boy. You gonna have a good old breakfast, Marky.
No.
Yeah, Marky. Go ahead, boy. You gonna have a good old breakfast.
No.
Eat it up. Hey,
No,
he's living life.
For him.
Ready whip. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Hey!
Oh
Is it good, Bob?
Gosh.
Is it good?
He's in shock.
That's the good stuff. Now my turn. I gotta find something. I don't know what I'm gonna eat.
Alright guys, so we're gonna enjoy our breakfast and we'll see you guys later.
Ali, eat this. Eat that. Ah! You broke your tooth!
Alright guys, so this is the first time the girls are rollerblading. And they're super dirty because they done fallen like 50 times.
Learning to rollerblade. You
They,
can't catch them. You gotta let them fall.
they first had the ones that were in a row.
Inline.
Yeah, the inlines, but those they could not do it.
They couldn't even stand. They were cricket feet the whole time. Wobbling all over the place.
And they already felt like, oh goodness.
Yeah, at first I was trying to hold them up and that wasn't working. They were crashing
Oh shoot.
like that every single time. So you just gotta let them go with it.
Good thing little Marky wasn't in this. Cause she done took on the shoulder.
And one goes down. Ooh, man. Nice cheating, she's cutting in front. Oh. You gonna break your knee, girl? Cheating, that's cheating. Hey. Oh, oh. No, don't grab her leg. Oh, Maya's off to the races. First one across the line. First one across the line. Hey, Maya won! Good job. Here, let me see it.
was so close though.
It was. Let me see that victory dance, Maya.
Do the flop.
Alright guys, so now we're here at Walmart. We decided in the car that we're each gonna have 2 aisles to pick from. So that's it. Whatever's in that
we want, but
whatever's
it has
in
to be that color.
yeah, whatever's in your aisle, that's what you get to choose from. You don't get to go all over the place, choose no. You get to choose from your 2 aisles. So we decided that Aaliyah is gonna be 1 and 2. Maya gets to be 7 and 8. Babe, what are you?
9 and 10. I don't even know what that is.
And your boy is 3 and 4. That's got to be the best aisle, right? Because my,
Marky.
you know what I'm saying? And my little Marky is going to be what you want to be, Marky? Let's make him 13 and 14. 13, 14? You? Okay, done. Let's go check out our aisle. All right, A1. This is Aaliyah's aisle. Okay, but it's got to be yellow.
I know.
What do you think? Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna get yellow apples first.
Yellow apples? Are they all the way yellow though?
Does this one pretty much look like yellow?
Yeah, I think that counts. That's a yellow apple. Yeah.
Don't trick me.
All right. Oh, it's kind of squishy. You look really excited. He loves the camera. You gonna get bananas or not?
No, I'm gonna get corn and
She said no to bananas?
Sure did. That's like the best yellow thing.
corn and pepper.
I too. You guys so lucky. But what's gonna be yellow?
I know. Yellow ice cream.
Man, I wish I would have got this out. What? Well, there's no really red ice cream.
I would have got this. I would have got some strawberry shortcake.
Oh yeah.
Daddy, is vanilla count?
No, vanilla's not yellow. There's popsicles.
The yellow popsicle.
Ooh.
There were single ones that look like these, but
They're kind of orange.
they are.
They're kind of orange. You can't get those.
Dan, take them down. Let's go.
That's gonna last you the whole day.
I want to show
A bell pepper, a couple ice creams. That's a pineapple.
I want to show you my dancing. Oh, I can get more.
Hey, go ahead. All right, this is Mommy's 10. Her first one. You can get some peanut butter. Wait, no. You can get some ketchup and mix it with mayo. Thousand Island? Yeah, I would say so. I don't know what you're gonna put that on.
I don't even like this, but I'm gonna get it.
So that's it. You're done with this aisle?
I don't even like this.
And row 9 is seasonal candy.
Maya, and you were gonna get the candy. I got the I'm gonna go crazy, guys. I'm gonna win this.
Okay, go ahead, get your candy.
I don't think she's gonna win, guys.
She thinks that she gets to choose from this side. But she actually has to choose from that side, all this just the seasonal stuff.
Oh wow.
What the
I can get Micah next because I can just change the colors. I can just get the pink attitude.
Hey, I hate to break it to you, but
Wait, hold on. I'm still going.
excuse me.
Starburst.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Babe, you're gonna have to put all that stuff back.
No, wait. I'm not done.
Listen.
On.
This is aisle 8. You're aisle 9. You're over there with all the Christmas stuff. So let's see what you got. I don't know what you're gonna make with this. No idea. You got cotton candy, yeah, some gum, and some sweet tart, and some Jolly Ranchers. Enjoy that. Have fun. Now Maya, Miss Lucky Pants over here. Row 8 is yours.
No, she didn't.
Yeah, that's her row. You try to steal from her row. Shame on you. Shame on you. All right, Maya, do you like this row?
That doesn't have purple, Maya.
There's grape ones in there. Yeah, she can get that. Stop being a hater. No, you don't get nothing from this row, handsome. Ooh, Maya's on a roll. All right, so this is aisle 7. Maya, I don't know where you're gonna find some purple bread. Hey, that bread is not purple. That's tortillas and it's not purple. Oh my goodness. Maya got by far the best aisles. Look at this. First she gets the candy, then she gets all the donuts and...
Too bad there's no purple donuts.
Facts. What you gonna get, Maya? Nothing? A ton of candy. You're gonna be sugared up, bro. You think that's gonna be enough for the day, though?
It's
not gonna last you the whole day? Yeah?
Okay, guys, now it's Daddy's turn. Let's go.
Y'all thought I got the worst time. Low key, I got the best time.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I got some wings.
They need to be red. They can't be brown or orange. They better be red.
Hey, dragon fire. You think these were really hot?
Oh no, but those don't look orange. They look brown.
These are red. Stop it. You be hating, bro.
He probably did low-key get the best. He's actually gonna have food that we're gonna have to steal from.
Wait, y'all got all this sugar and stuff, but y'all ain't got no food.
Red chili dip?
I was thinking about getting this. I thought it was just chili. Like chili. Yeah?
No, I don't think it is.
That'd be stuff that burn your butt. Woo!
Ow.
Give me some red sauce enchiladas. I'm killing y'all. What else I want?
That's it, we good. All the stuff that Daddy got.
I got actual food. I'm actually gonna be able to eat today. I'm gonna be burning at the end of the day. I'm gonna be on the toilet regretting this, but hey. Dragon.
How do you feel?
Like my stomach gonna be hurting later.
Not your stomach.
Well, you know what I mean. But at least I'm gonna be able to eat. Y'all ain't gonna be able to eat nothing. Y'all just gonna be
sharing is
sugar.
caring.
We ain't sharing nothing. What you mean?
Yeah, but
Alright guys, time to go pay. Alright guys, so we came to IHOP to eat because it has a big variety of items. So
There is nothing pink. You want to see the only pink thing that there is? This milkshake.
there's only grapes.
It's gonna be hard, guys.
Guys, guess what's for me? Mac and cheese.
yeah, you can get mac and cheese and fries and eggs.
I want eggs. I can only eat the yolk.
Alright guys, so we got our drinks. I got that strawberry lemonade, you know what I'm saying? Life is good.
No, I don't want to.
What'd you get? She got regular lemonade. You got nothing. And you got nothing. Okay, so. And I don't know what the heck this is. This looks like an L for me.
No, I'm not eating this, but I got fish. It's a pink meat, so technically it's not losing.
We'll let you slide. Well, you better not eat none of that other stuff though.
Not, you know I want to.
Wait, hold
Wait, that
Wait, hold up. That is mine.
Ooh, that is your color. Ooh.
How are you gonna eat that with fries and mac and cheese?
It goes well, man. How's that fish?
It's good, I guess. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That is ranch. You want to lose, huh?
Oh, I can't eat.
Yeah, no, sir.
What's the point of wings if you can't eat ranch?
Put it down. Put it down. Away from the ranch.
I don't like this already. Babe.
Yeah?
Those mashed potatoes looking a little light. You look like you ate a lot more than just the pink stuff. Excuses. They say the baby ate. He can actually eat those because they're white. That's cheating. You sure you didn't eat none of that?
No, you want some?
No, I'm good. I could have sworn there was more broccoli on that plate than that.
Wait, there's pepper on there, so Matt can eat it.
Oh, my broccoli fell on the floor.
Oh, your broccoli fell on the floor. I don't see no broccoli on the floor.
It's been swept up.
Alright guys, so we're going to end the video there. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you do what?
Give it a big thumbs up.
Smash that like button. And subscribe. You got it, mama. If you haven't already, go below. Smash that big red subscribe button. Join the My Squad family right now. Turn on notifications. Yes. Tell them, Maya. Tell them. Turn on them post notifications so you get
notified every single time we drop a
new video. Hey, and remember y'all, My Squad, your squad, our squad, and God bless. Peace.